Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started in Twinmotion when you're using the lab computers and you're on a virtual machine. First thing you do, of course, is log into the virtual machines in the labs or from a home computer. And then secondly, you want to look for the Epic Games Launcher. Now, if you already have Twinmotion installed on the computer, on the virtual machine computer, then go ahead and just click here. But if you don't see an icon like this, open up the Epic Games Launcher. And initially, it's going to ask you to sign in. But if you don't already have an account, go ahead and click here, set up an account, and it doesn't really matter if you already have one of these accounts. They won't let you sign into Epic Games until you actually create an account, and then afterwards you could link it to one of these other accounts if you want to. But initially, like I said, go ahead and click here. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, and then once you get into this screen, don't worry about all these other tabs up here at the top. Okay, we're not actually here to play any video games. Instead, we're going to go over here to the Twinmotion tab, and then from this drop down, you're going to see there will be several options, several versions of Twinmotion. And as of right now, I'm going to go with the latest one, which is 2025. But by the time you watch this video, there could be a newer version. So just select either whatever the newest version is or whatever you've been told to select in class. Okay, in my case, let's go with the latest. We'll hit launch. At this point, you might have to wait a minute or two before anything happens. Okay, here comes Twinmotion. Behind this screen, I have an actual icon just for Twinmotion. And I believe that will happen for you too. It certainly will after you've logged in and installed everything. You'll get an icon like this, but the question is, will it still be there after you log out? Then you come back later and you log back into a virtual machine. I don't know if this will be there or if you need to go through this process each time. For me, this icon is actually here every time I log in. Okay, next thing is we're now in Twinmotion. We've got a little menu here. We could, and eventually we will, go and look at some of these other tabs and open up projects that have been done by other professionals. They're really good. This one's great for people doing the kinds of things that we want to do, architecture and rendering. Okay, but in this case, let's just go ahead and create a new scene. And no, I don't want to save. I don't have anything to save yet. Okay, and this is what it looks like. If you get this far, you're inside of a new scene where you can start exploring and experimenting with all of the menus around here. And I'll take you through all these menus in the next video.